Okay, take one.
Hi.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go outside in the pouring rain.
Cool.
Yeah. And
Come on, let's go! Let's go! I'm ready for the lightning!
Get out of the lock, you dumbass.
Why is it locked? So the lightning can't get in?
That's how you're jumping.
I am jumping!
It's not bad. It quit.
Ah! It quit. Does it look really bad?
It looks really raining. Chantel rain.
My back hurts going, my butt choked now. Hello, everybody. This is Amanda Spinks.
Go under.
No way.
Go under.
No way.
Go under.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm going. Sure, that didn't even go on me. Follow me, everyone.
Everyone? There's only one kid.
Everyone means everyone, Mom.
I'm not coming out there. I'm gonna stand here and watch you guys get wet. It's more fun. As my toes get all wet.